Hey everyone, today on ComputerChick Cooking, we're gonna discuss roasted potatoes. You take potatoes, wash them off, slice them, then you get a Ziploc baggie, and this is a little trick I learned, and you put a couple tablespoons of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and you put the sliced potatoes in the Ziploc baggie, shake it up, put it on a pan with tin foil, and we're going to bake them. And stay tuned. I'll show you what they look like. Everyone, they're almost done. 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And you put in the oven. And I'll show you the results after. Stay tuned to the end. So everyone, the final results. Put some shredded cheese on there. Top it off with a little bit of sour cream. And it's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe for variety content from ComputerChick Productions. How to cook roasted potatoes.